Today we'll be going over some very simple effects we can pull off from the We Still Don't Trust You music video by Future, The Weeknd, and Metro Boomin. Here on the screen is our website, www.b3-studios.com, where you can find plenty of Final Cut Pro plugins to enhance your workflow. Some of them are free. Yes, some of them are free and some you have to pay for, but all in all, go check out the site because it will help you out and it's there for you guys. Okay, so for our first effect, it's going to be very simple, and this is going to be pretty much like the negative fill effect, if you want to call it that. But we're just going to add two effects. One is in Final Cut Pro, and that is going to be our negative effect. So if you go to your effects tab right here and type in negative, you're just going to drag that onto your clip. As you can see here, the clip went from that to a negative vibe, and you can make adjustments right here with your negative fill. I'm gonna put it right here around 92, 93. And now what you're gonna do is you're gonna add another effect. I'm gonna leave this in the link in the description. This is not coming with Final Cut Pro, but this is the texture screen plugin. And you're just gonna drag that along with the negative effect onto this clip. So we're using two clips on one. And as you can see here, it's blank. It's a blank white screen, and that's not what we want. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna drag our texture screen plugin, and we're gonna drag that above our negative, right? As you can see here, it's already working a little bit, but we're just gonna mess with the contrast a bit. Mess with the threshold. And I'm actually gonna go to my color inspector, and I can manipulate the way this looks by bringing this up right here, the exposure up or down like this. You can play with this right here. It's totally up to you on how you want this to look. You can also mess with the saturation as well. And I'm just gonna play this back for you just so you can see how it looks. Looks pretty good so far. And like I said, guys, you can just keep making adjustments within the plugin. So it's really up to you how you want this to look. And yeah, that's pretty much that negative fill effect that they used in the We Don't Trust You video. Now on to our next effect. So our next effect is a pretty simple effect. It's kind of like a sphere security cam. And they used it throughout the video in We Still Don't Trust You. And what you're gonna do is the link is in the description for this effect as well. And this is B3 Sphere Security Cam effect. Pretty much like a circle that goes around your clip. You can just uncheck halftone right here, so the clear screen will come up, and you can expand the radius. And as we press play right here, you can see the effect is taking place. And this was done throughout the video. You can also add keyframes to this to make it more dynamic and appealing. So if I add a keyframe right here and then go up in my timeline, shift it over to the right, you can see that kind of have a moving effect now. So you can use this in plenty of different ways. Just use your own creativity, and this should come out really, really good. So that is our second effect. Let's move on to our next effect. Now our next effect is the B3 Altered Time plugin. And what this does is it essentially slows down. I'm gonna drag that on there. It essentially slows down the time and gives it that altered time effect. So once we play this back, it gives us this really cool look. And like I said, guys, this will be in the link in the description, so you can download that. And it's just a simple drag and drop plugin. You can change the duration, the amount, the mix, just so it can be appealing to your specific video. And last but not least, throughout the video they had some night vision scenes, and I'm going to show you guys how to implement that right now, and the link will be in the description for that effect as well. So this is a night vision effect that we're going to place right here. As you can see, it's already taken effect. What we're going to do here is we are going to uncheck the neon so it can be a clearer image, and you can make adjustments to whatever you want through these parameters right here, but I'm just going to leave this as is, and I'm just going to play the clip just to show you how powerful this effect is and how good it makes the scene look. So yeah, this is a really good effect, and it's literally just drag and drop. You can also get rid of the circle and make the entire scene green by playing with the scale. You can change your parameters according to however you want. I'm just giving you guys a quick overview so this video won't be so long. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you learned something today, please hit the like button and consider subscribing, because we will be coming out with a lot more content just like this and even better. So thank you guys for tuning in, and I look forward to your comments, and I will talk to you guys soon. Okay, thank you. Bye.